Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I still think this could turn into a running pattern and like a running flat. And if that is the case, then it would make a higher low, and end up continuing up. But it definitely could extend into an extended flat type pattern, which would go down and take out the lows before it does continue the uptrend. Luckily, we should be able to tell when this move down is over on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, so like I've been saying, I think this is 3 waves down, I think this is 3 waves up, and I think we're likely in 5 waves down. I think even if it is a running pattern, that it's probably going to have to go down to at least 100% before you get that 3, 4, 5 shape with a breaker structure. Or, like I said, if it's an extension, like an extended flat, then it's more likely to go to the 168, 178. So there potentially could be a lot of downside potential left. Going down to the daily time frame is where I still think this looks like a 1-2 and we're in a wave 3. The whole thing is if this really is a wave 3, then it's way too small to be a complete wave 3. You know, it might end up going up a little bit, but as long as it continues to make lower highs on these higher time frames, then we're still actively in this wave 3. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, our structure level is right here. So it can do anything inside this little area right here and still be in a downtrend on the higher time frames. You know, this could be easily an ABC correction, go up to the 61-78% and then return back to the downside, which is why I'm still primarily only looking for shorts in a downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is where you start to get a little bit of conflicting information because this definitely looks like an uptrend, looks like a possible A, looks like 3 waves down for a B. Now this is where, you know, a lot of people make a lot of mistakes because I would draw this out and say, oh, this is definitely going to go up for a wave C. But in reality, since the trend is down on basically every time frame, it could easily just continue down at any time, which is why I'm not going to be looking to go long, even though I think there's a good chance that it will go up and take out these highs, maybe bounce off to 61 and a 78% Fibonacci before it actually goes down. So that's why I'm only looking for shorts in a downtrend, because even though it looks like it should go up and make a wave C, it definitely doesn't have to go up and make a wave C. It could just make a lower high, and just keep on trending down. Just keep in mind that the trend is your friend, and if this really is a wave 3 on the daily, which it looks like it is, then this wave 3 has probably got a lot of downside potential left in it. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.